In this video, we are going to discuss on the role of development teams towards the Scrum and see the composition of the development team and the responsibilities. Okay, let's see the skills and roles the development team is having and needed to team structure. All professionals with the necessary skills to create the product are included, who are specialized in their subject. Okay, the team members are have specialized skill but share accountability. No appointment, no appointed leaders in between them. Okay, because we are having only one servant leader, he is the scrum master. So no other appointed leaders in between the teams to operate directly and collectively. Okay. Cross-functional teams possesses all skills required for product increments. Ideal team size should be between 3 to 9 members with 6 being optimal. Team should be avoid silos and maintain open communication. Transparency is needed, okay, for their work. So these are some skills, roles, and team structure we have just discussed related to development team. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what are the responsibilities development team is having towards its Scrum team. So they delivering the product increments, they quality and design accountability, they maintain the quality and design accountability. So primary goal is to deliver a potential shippable product increment at the end of the each sprint. The team decides on the amount of work to undertake in a sprint, own and manages the sprint backlog, ensuring clarity in the task. So these are some responsibilities development team is having to delivering product increments. Let's see the other responsibilities related to quality and design. The development team is responsible for the quality and design of the product. And the continuous improvement is encouraged through cross training among team members. Team members collaborate to uphold the design standards and quality metrics. Okay, so these some quality design accountability responsibilities of the development team towards the Scrum. Okay, let's go ahead and see some team dynamics and organization. Let's see what exactly it's a Scrum self-organization and the collaboration and communication. The team is empowered to manage and organize their own work. Members determine how to build the product to meet the sprint goal. They encourages autonomy and foster a sense of ownership among team members. The development team, ideally, team members are co-located to enhance collaboration. Participation in all Scrum events are mandatory, including sprint planning and daily Scrums. They regular updates to sprint, burn down charts, and task board are essential to the transparency. These some kind of responsibility towards the team management. Okay, that is collaboration, communication, self organization. Those are also some skills. Let's go ahead and see the backlog management and estimation responsibilities. What exactly it is? So, development team assists the product owner in refining the product backlog, ensures that the backlog items are well defined and prioritized, helps in estimating the effort required for the backlog item. Team members estimate the item in the product backlog to maintain the efforts and complexity. They do the various estimation methods can be employed and such as planning paper and t-shirt sizing and so on. The accurate estimation helps in sprint planning and resource allocation. So these are some responsibilities towards the backlog management and the estimation. Let's go ahead and see the responsibilities towards the Scrum events participation. Key Scrum events are sprint planning, daily Scrum, and sprint review. Those are key Scrum events for development team. They should aware about the processes and they should attend those meetings without fail. Okay, the team decides what to accomplish in the upcoming sprint, those we are doing in the sprint planning. In the daily scrum, it's a brief meeting to summarize, synchronize the activities, and plan for the next 24 hours. That meeting will be only for 15 minutes max. The sprint review meeting team showcases the completed work to stakeholders for the feedback. So these key scrum events participation is needed from the development team side. The other improvements and retrospective responsibilities are the are like sprint retrospective allows the team to reflect on the past sprints. They focus on identifying areas for improvement in the processes and the teamwork. They encourages a culture of learning and adaptation within the team. So these are some responsibilities related to Scrum events. So, in this video, we have discussed about the development team role and responsibilities towards the Scrum.